factors that affect the magnitude of lattice energy, there are two. Okay, ionic charge and ionic radii. Okay, lattice energy increase if ionic charge increase, and ionic radii decrease. Okay, so contohnya kat sini. Okay, here, this is our compound, our ionic compound. Okay, lithium fluoride and magnesium oxide. As you can see, magnesium oxide punya lattice energy lagi tinggi berbanding lithium fluoride. Okay, lattice energy maksudnya tadi negatif, maksudnya dia heat release sebab dia nak form. Okay, so like ni lagi tinggi lah maksudnya. Okay, reason dia kenapa for this example, the factor is ionic charge. Kenapa? Kalau tengok magnesium tu plus, O tu plus, tu minus, lithium plus, F minus. Ni, ini charge dia 2, ni charge dia 1. So 2 lagi besar dari 1. So ionic charge dia lebih besar, therefore lattice energy dia lagi tinggi. Second one. Okay, kita ada compound NABr and NaCl. Okay, as you can see, NaCl punya lattice energy adalah lebih besar sedikit berbanding NABr. Okay, let's check the ionic charge. Okay, Na plus Cl minus, Na plus Br minus. Oh, ionic charge dia sama, so kita tak boleh gunakan faktor ionic charge. Okay, so we look at the faktor ionic radii. Okay, ionic radii nama pun radius ion. So kita tengok perbezaan ion Cl minus dengan Br minus lah. Okay, sebab Na sama je, Na kat sini dengan Na kat sini sama, sebab dia benda yang sama. So kat sini faktor dia adalah radius kepada ion Cl minus dan ion Br minus. This one kita recap balik. Okay, chapter 3 periodic table. So antara Cl minus dengan Br minus, siapa lagi besar? Siapakah? Antara Br minus dan Cl minus. Okay, recall balik, Br minus lagi besar. Okay, so bila Br minus lagi besar, maka lattice energy dia lagi kecil. Okay, sebab dia adalah inversely proportional. Okay, so bila Br minus dia lagi besar, okay, itu bermaksud ni, dia punya size dia kan lagi besar, maka radius dia lagi besar. Okay, so nak form dia, ionic charges are the same. Ionic radius Cl minus is smaller than Br minus, radius for NaCl is smaller, therefore lattice energy for NaCl is larger compared to NaBr. Okay, this is factor ionic radii. Okay, the question about this one. Okay, there are two lattice, magnesium oxide. There are two ionic compound, magnesium oxide and sodium dioxide. Okay, which lattice energy is higher and why? Okay, fikir dapatkan jawapan. Pause this video, fikir. Okay, which lattice energy is higher and why? Okay, let's check your answer. Okay, lattice energy magnesium oxide is higher compared to lattice energy sodium dioxide. Sebab kenapa? Here ada dua faktor. Because of the charge. Okay, charge dia plus. Ni charge dia 2 plus, this one is plus. Okay, sebab O2 minus adalah sama. So kita tak boleh compare the anion punya charge. So kita compare charge yang ada pada cation sahajalah. Okay, dia ada bigger charge dan juga dia are smaller in ionic radius. Okay, that's why lattice energy magnesium oxide is higher. Alright.